after your suspension?
Oh, first day after suspension, I'm glad to be back. Hopefully, walang bagong suspension or expulsion, but we'll see how it goes. Right now, we want to tackle the very important problem of the fuel crisis. And I like to push for my VAT abolition bill. Gusto ni Kong Levista is yung VAT reduction, VAT abolition, those are both very necessary. Especially considering now na hindi na economically sustainable yung work na public transportation sector natin. Lalo na sa amin dun sa Cavite, in Dasmariñas, the tricycle and jeepney drivers having a very hard time since expected na within this week there might be another possible price increase.
So are you worried about getting expelled?
Not really. Okay lang naman. Even if I lose my job in Congress, I'm pretty sure I'll be fine since I have plenty of other opportunities in life.
So you said kanina,
Hmm.
so what, ano yung nabanggit mo? Kasi,
Hindi.
last week said na,
Okay.
parang prescribing na, bakit wala pang sponsor?
Regarding sa expulsion, I just saw it on the news. I don't have much information on it, pero if ever na may expulsion or may suspension ulit, then we'll just see how it goes.
So kung sa tingin niya mas dapat unahin yung mga mahalagang issue dyan sa deliberation sa plenaryo kaysa doon sa expulsion ninyo?
Well, normally, yun talaga yung isipin ng mga tao. And not just me. Plenty of people would want Congress to prioritize the fuel crisis.
Well, why were you absent in the last ethics committee meeting regarding
Ethics committee. Hindi kasi parehas lang naman yung ethics committee. It's all the same thing. And walang masyadong nagbabago doon. So whether or not I am present, the same result would happen.
Sir, I just asked because it's
Yes.
a possibility.